Hello friends, welcome to the Ekalavya Universes. I hope that all of you have successfully completed Python Feelgood web series. Otherwise, only after successful completion of Python Feelgood web series, watch this lecture. Then only you can derive benefit out of that. Then through this video, you can plan your course of action to secure a bright first software job within 100 days. That's why first complete Python Feelgood web series. No doubt it will remain as a milestone in your entire career, because I provided everything through web series technology. This is totally new to the world of programming studies. This is my brainchild. If you study programming languages through web series, you derive mainly 5 benefits that I am going to explain. All of you experienced, just analyze that. Thereafter, just review that whether those are correct or not. The first and foremost one is knowing your compatibility with our system. Actually, whatever may be the greatness or effectiveness of our system, your compatibility is very important. If you are not compatible with our system and all that, it is useless. You cannot derive any benefit out of that. That is a must. That's why first you question yourself, are you happy with the system? Are you compatible? Are you comfortable in studying the system? All that you think of. If it is yes only, you go further. Otherwise, just ignore the system. The second one is, actually, from the beginning, at least 100 times I use the word mastering. This system is meant for mastering, not just learning for a college examination or a job interview. This is mastering programming languages. So, if you study programming language, not only Python, Java, or C, any language through web series, which benefits you get? First one is you acquire programming skills. As you know, from the day one you are writing program. By that, after completion of every program, you acquire certain skills. You can notify them, and that is the first one. You acquire programming skills. The second one is conceptual command. Suppose you performed first program of Python, and the underlying concepts are, let us say, A, D, F. So, by performing first program, you understand those concepts A, D, F practically, and you can own them. Owning, already explained that. What is owning concept means? I ask you one question, what you did yesterday. What you did yesterday means without referring any notes and all that, you are able to explain fluently. That is owning. Whenever you own a concept, you can explain any concept with that ease. That is owning concepts. Because of this approach, studying programming through web series, you understand the concepts very clearly and practically and own them. That is the conceptual command. Third one is subject-oriented communication skills. Subject-oriented communication skills are very important. If you own the concepts also, if you are not able to explain the concepts to others, you cannot get benefit out of that. So, subject-oriented communication skills are very, very important. Actually, if you observe that, otherwise analyze that, how I am explaining every concept. I am explaining every concept from a real-life example in the Indianised-Style. Because of that, just a one-time watch, because this is not my comment. Hundreds of students commented. Otherwise, you please visit our website. What are the comments of the students you see? On YouTube, hundreds of comments I received. So, simple watching, people are able to grasp the concept. Like your real life experience, you can explain every concept. For every technical concept, I have given a real life example. By that, you can own the concept and you can improve your subject-oriented communication skills. That is very, very important for mainly for job interviews that you get. So, mainly because of web series, 3 benefits you are deriving: Python programming skills, conceptual command, subject-oriented communication skills. Thereafter, after this and all that, you can have a outline how to prepare for your securing your first job. Obviously, we can understand that every time I am focusing on one point, your first bright software job. Now, I explain to you What next? For securing a bright software job within 100 days of preparation, 100 into 5, 500 hours of preparation. For this purpose, I am introducing a new technique which is totally new to the world of programming studies, that is Python Fast Track Web Series. Python Fast Track. Already what you did is feel good. Just for knowing about our system and knowing your compatibility with our system, I have given it to you 100% free. Now, if you have decided to move forward for your first software job, now I am introducing Python Fast Track Web Series. Actually, first, what is the superiority of Fast Track Web Series? You must understand. Here two ladders are there. See the first ladder. First ladder is formal study of programming. That you know, if you are a programming student in your colleges and all that, you study like this only. Actually, what is the model, what is the procedure in your college and all? Actually, first lot of theory they explain. And as the theory is quite abstract and all that, most of you feel boring. And you form a negative opinion on programming studies. Thereafter, after some time, after a few weeks or a month, they take you to lab and you have to work out some programs and all that. By the time all theory you forget, what is the theory you never know that. Blindly most students copy the program and type it, just they get the result. And by that they never derive any benefit out of that. So this is represented by first ladder. First, both are ladders only. Because of this way, student cannot get any benefit. Only some exceptional student get the benefit. Otherwise, programming is a wonderful subject. Already you experienced that in Feel Good Web Series. Now, Fast Track Web Series. Second ladder you see. In second ladder, what is the difference? That is also a ladder. Simple steps. From the moment 1 onwards, you climb something. So, small steps to reach big achievements. In that way, we devise. So, in that way, programming should be learned in that manner only. Like learning car driving. If you simply study theory and all that, you cannot derive any benefit. Actually, it is like explaining about accelerator, clutch, brake, etc. and all that in classroom. By that, what you get? So, simply sitting in a driving seat, then you can understand. In just a few hours, you can understand what is the accelerator, what is clutch, what is the brake, what is steering, what are the gears, what are the road signals, what are the do's, what are the don't. All that practically understand. Programming, if you learn in that model, that means through web series technology, through that only it is possible. Then every day is a successful day. Every day you can complete one or more programs. That point, our fast track approach represents the second one. Okay. Once you realize that this technique, I explain practically. Hereafter, you work out 25 projects through fast track web series. 25 projects of 100 to 200 lines. Just you are 5 hours old. Why I am calling you 5 hours old means Python Feel Good Web Series, how many hours you studied? Only 5 hours you studied and you might have worked 10 to 15 hours. That's it. Now you are able to develop 100 to 200 lines projects. No doubt about that. How it is possible? Practically I want to show you. But otherwise this concept you cannot understand that. Okay. Now let us take one project. Actually it is like this. A project is like this. And it is a 100 to 200 lines program depending on the task. 200 lines program. You can perform it formally. Within 2-3 days you can complete that. If you want to complete within 1 day also, it is possible. That depends on your interest, how you are able to enjoy programming. That is a crucial point here. Actually, this is a level 1. Level 1. This is a level 2. This is level 3. This is a level 4. A project is divided into 4 levels. 4 levels. First level around 40 to 50 lines program. Okay. This first level is almost like the program in our Feel Good Web Series. Already did it. Okay. 40 to 50 lines program. You can comfortably do that. Don't bother about other things. First you complete that. Thereafter level 2. Level 2, this is the extension of level 1. Same program only, one level extra. Some more tasks are added to that. Now this one contributes 50% to this. Level 1 contributes 50% for level 2. Level 2. Then comfortably do that because already you did it. Then you are able to do that. For that every bit of explanation I give you, whatever there may be half a dozen new concepts. Don't worry about that. I am here to explain everything. You never feel difficult because it may be little lengthy because for the first time I have to explain everything. I may take 1 hour time, but if you annoyed with that, I cannot help. First program only you have to spend more time. Second, third, and all that very easily you can do that because all are known elements. Then go to the after successful completion of level 2, you go to level 3. Level 2 contributes 75% for the level 3 and you can complete it. You never bother about how much is that. Then by the time 100 lines program you might have completed. Thereafter, fourth one, the third level contributes 90% for the level 4. All are extensions only. Level 2 is the extension of level 1, level 3 is the extension of level 2, level 4 is the extension of level 3. This is the model. Then this one I give you the assignment. Because too much spoon feeding is poisonous. Especially in programming, I should not do that. I should not encourage that. That's why this one I give you an assignment, the 100 to 200, depending on that, 100 to 200 lines program. You are able to do that independently, no doubt about that. Just daily one level you complete. Otherwise, 2-3 days you take, you complete. Even many students I know that within 1 day only one entire program they completed. But slow and steady wins the race. That is always good, and that's why you do that. I am leaving it to you. 4 levels. In this way, you can complete that. Here, how you are able to perform 100 to 200 lines program in the first week itself or second week itself means because of the blend, a combination of fast track and web series. Understand that. Practically enjoy that. Actually, for this purpose, one sample program I am giving it to you. How it is? Here I am giving already you performed room dimensions, room areas and all that. This is that. Already ninth program is that. I think ninth program of a feel good web series that the 3 levels extension. Then ultimately 100 plus lines project and in the week 2 you are able to write. No doubt about that. So in that way I am going to give you 25 projects. 25 projects means you call each level as a module. How many modules I am going to provide you? 25 into 4. 100 modules totally I am providing to you. With these 100 modules, entire Python, core Python is covered. Entire Python. Without reading. Practically understand and own them, and you can improve your subject-oriented communication skills. That is the magic. That is the power of the system. You cannot find, once again, not out of ego, you cannot find this type of programming anywhere in the world of programming studies. That's why just within weeks or a few months you can master. I am not talking about just learning. Master 3 things. Master programming skills, master concept command, master subject oriented communication skills. Ultimately you will get ready for your first bright software job. Nobody can compete with you. Your simple logic. Just who will be your competitors? Your competitors are your classmates, your peers only. Then how can they compete with you? Simple logic. You will be edge over all the competitors in job market. That's why you will be in a position to choose a best possible job. No doubt about that. Hi friends. If you are 100% convinced with our system and strategies, and if you would like to pursue our system, then I would like to provide you an all-in-one package to empower you to secure a bright first software job within 100 days. 100 into 500 hours of preparation. Simply sit in one place and study. Then you can finish. For this purpose, actually, first you should know, in order to get a first software job, what are required, which capabilities are required. Already explained to you, just I am, for the sake of integrity, here I am listing once again. First one is knowledge. Knowledge means conceptual command, owning the concepts. Already explained to you. In this system, already I told you, while writing programs only, you understand every concept and own them. So first one is knowledge. Second one is skills. Skills means nothing but programming skills. Here, the specialty of this system is when the day one you are writing program, while writing programs only, you can enrich your programming skills. That is the second one. Third one is communication skills. Many people talk about general communication skills. General communication skills means just speaking English. Suppose if you are good at speaking English, if you don't have subject, what you can speak? That's why I am talking about not only English, subject-oriented communication skills. How you can improve subject-oriented communication skills? Actually, I am teaching everything in an Indianized style. Already experienced that. I need not describe that, what is Indianized style and all that. So, every time, after completion of every program, you can own certain concepts. You are owning what you did yesterday, how fluently you are able to explain. Any concept you can explain with the same ease. You get the fluency over that. So, you can improve your subject-oriented communication skills. Okay. The three out of this web series, technology are going to get. Other one is testimonial. Actually, all your competitors are having same certification, that is university certification. That only marks percentage difference, that is there and all that. What is your specialty? For that purpose, you have to get an international certification. International certification or otherwise any certification which is having international standards. Okay, international standards, actually in some other context I will explain to you what are the international standards and all that. Okay, so in order to empower you to get all these capabilities, 4 capabilities, I am providing you all in one package with a highly affordable price. Anybody can afford. That is 1490. So all this I am going to provide you for rupees 1490 because I want to provide this to all the people. What are the contents of this package? You have to understand. The first one is, this is Python video book. Video book. There are 300 concepts, 200 programs. Not only textbook. I am providing you as a video book. Video book means this book I recorded, all the concepts I recorded within 50 to 60 hours. All that I copied in a DVD form and I am providing, I call it as a video book. So whenever you want to study, anytime you can study. Actually, very easily you can understand because already some of the concepts you work out in each program, each project, then easily, practically you can understand. Formally, you have to watch all the lectures, whatever programs are there, you complete that. So the first one is video book I am going to provide you, and this is 690 rupees including postage, because postage cost itself 90 rupees, and all that 690 rupees, but a part of the package I am going to provide you. Second one is fast track web series. Already explained to you. 25 projects I am going to provide you. 25 into 4, 100 modules I am providing to you, and 100 modules cover all the concepts. Whatever concepts I am explaining here, all that practically you learn. That is the second one. Third one is ELMS, Ekalavya Learning Management System. This is an online system. This is a unique that I am going to provide you. This is a 5-in-1. Actually, 5 services it provides to you. It provides video lectures, study notes or study material, unit test. This has a great impact. What is unit test means? Here 15 chapters are there. After every chapter, you write the test. You write the online test. Actually, pass percentage is 65%, but you try for 100% or 90%. After every chapter, you can test your knowledge using international standards. What are international standards? And a little later, in one of the lectures I explained that. Here, if I explain about them, we are distracted. That's why I am not explaining. So, you need not wait up to the completion of the entire book. After completion of every chapter, you write the unit test. That too, n number of times you write until you get 100% or maximum 90% you get. Thereafter, updates. Actually, programming domain is very dynamic. Whatever is update today, whatever is novel today, after some time it may be outdated. That's why every time you have to update your knowledge. Every time through our research, we develop new programs, new concepts, everything I share with you through LMS. Finally, certification. Ekalavya certification we provide part of this only. Ekalavya certification was developed using international standards. It is open for everybody. They can test what are the international standards and all that. Already I told you, you have to get either international certification. It's cost something, because outside agencies are conducting. For example, for Java, OCJP certification there, Oracle Certified Associate Java Programmer. Okay, for that 100% pass guarantee we are giving. But in order to write that exam and all that, you have to pay 10,000 rupees for Oracle Corporation. Then only you can write informatics centers. So, if you are in a position to afford, you can write any international certification, or otherwise, if you can rely on us, our Ekalavya certification for every Python, Java, C, all the languages we are providing, it is cost free, part of the package I am providing you. So, this in all in one package, we are providing mainly three. First one is video book, it's cost around 690 rupees. Second one is fast track web series, 25 projects we are providing, each project 100 to 200 lines, and if you want to extend, you can extend to 500 lines also. Those techniques also I will share with you. Third great one is LMS, Ekalavya Learning Management System. 5 services in an integrated manner provided in one place. By that, chapter wise, you can crystallize your knowledge, and you test your knowledge through our unit test and all this, just this price 1490. Nobody can offer. I want to provide the whole system to entire student community who are software career aspirants. Or otherwise, if you are zero also, this is zero to expert model. Don't worry, you never get any doubt. If you have to get any doubt, and you have to make a research. This is an open challenge to entire world. And one more thing, this model of web series technology you cannot find in the programming world. Because of this web series technology only, whatever concepts I told you, all those capabilities I explained, all that you are able to get. In a formal way of study, it is not possible to acquire all these skills at a time.